Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm making some Cuban sandwiches today. As you can see, I got my bread over here. I got melted butter right here. I got mojo right there. I'll explain to you what that is. I have pickles. I have Swiss cheese, and I have ham. And the star of the show, pernil. This is pork shoulder. This was leftovers from a little party I went to yesterday at my aunt's house. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'm cutting the bread right here. This is a fast, simple sandwich. I didn't find any Cuban bread. I thought about doing this last minute when my aunt gave me the pork shoulder. Okay, so I have some melted butter right here. I'm gonna put some butter right on the bread. Just brush some on there. Okay. Butter makes everything better. Everybody knows that. A little dressing of butter. Okay, butter on both sides. I'm gonna butter the grill too. Right there. Nice butter on the grill. On the top, one on the top too. Okay. I'm gonna lay the bread on there for a little bit. I'm doing this on the George Foreman. This was a last minute thing, and I don't have one of those other grills or planchas or whatever. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna let that toast up. This is mojo right here. This is bitter orange, garlic, onions. It's like a little mix. Throw that in there. This is gonna give this a little more flavor, that Cuban sandwich. Let me throw a little more. It's like a garlicky, lemony, zesty sauce. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna come back with an assembly with a sandwich. Let me take this bread out. I'm gonna start assembling, and then we're gonna throw them back in there. That toast up a little bit. This is the top, that's the bottom. Okay, now I'm gonna assemble. I'm gonna throw the pork shoulder, aka pernil, with the mojo sauce. It's gonna give it so much flavor. It's like garlicky goodness right here. There we go. Simple. Less is more. Okay, that's good. We're gonna go in with some mustard right here. And spread it. Spread it right there. I'm gonna go in with the ham. Right there. One, two pieces. That's it. 2 pieces. Going in right here with the cheese. Let me fold that in there so it won't ooze out the side, which it's still gonna do, but less oozing out. Do that right there. And finish off with the pickle right here. This was on the fly too. I had everything here in the house. I didn't have to buy nothing. Everything was on the fly over here. And drizzle a little. I love butter, guys. All right. How does that look? It looks beautiful, right? It's gonna look even more beautiful now. Watch this. Okay. All right. There we go. You hear that sizzle? get that set. And we'll be back. You check on this right now. Let's see. It's looking good, looking good. Looking good. Let me throw a little more, a little butter on top. There we go. All right, guys, it's ready to come out. One more little press. Let's see. Cheese is melted. See, looking good. One more little quick press. It's hot. Ooh. All right, guys, I'm ready to come out. Okay. Look at that. Look at that beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna cut it super hot right now. I want to show you the inside of this, how beautiful. Cut it on an angle like they have the Cuban sandwiches. Wow. This is gorgeous right here. Look at that. Look at the insides. Look at the insides of that. All right, guys, I'm gonna plate up and grab some soda. Be right back. All right, guys, here's my Cuban sandwich right here. Looks beautiful. Look at that pernil. We got that Swiss cheese. We got the ham. We got the pickles. Look at that. Beautiful. And I'm finishing it off right here with a raspberry soda on the side. Too good, guys. Hope you make this at home. Super easy.